If you want to become a Certified Fire Protection Specialist, CFPS, you will get tips from this video. What is the CFPS certification? Purpose of the CFPS credential. Benefits of obtaining the CFPS certification. CFPS exam blueprint. Preparing for the CFPS exam. One. Which type of plan review may provide information about a modification such as the removal of an abandoned underground flammable liquid tank? A. Site plan review. B. Preliminary building plan review. C. Final building plan review. D. As-built plan review. Answer: D. 2. In a large-scale test organized by the Fire Protection Research Foundation, FPRF, to study the interaction between sprinklers, roof vents, and draft curtains, what factor made the test results difficult to interpret for use in field applications? A. External environmental forces on the test building. B. The number of vents used during the tests. C. The use of an exhaust to an abatement system. D. The controlled nature of the tests. Answer: C. 3. What are the two classes of fire models? A. Open and closed. B. Field and laboratory. C. Physical and mathematical. D. Behavioral and theoretical. Answer: C. 4. Which type of fire alarm system transmits signals that are permanently recorded at a constantly attended supervising station located either at the protected premises or at another location of the property owner? A. Proprietary. B. Auxiliary. C. Central station. D. Remote station. Answer: A. 5. What data analysis approach provides the broadest perspective of a fire problem? A. Scenario groupings. B. Top-down approach. C. Data re-examination. D. Trend analysis. Answer: B. 6. Which of the following would not be an appropriate purpose for employing a guard service to protect a property against fire loss? A. To protect the property at times when the management is not present. B. To carry out procedures for the orderly conduct of some operations on the property. C. To perform routine housekeeping and equipment maintenance operations during non-production hours. D. To facilitate and control the movement of persons into, out of, and within the property. Answer: C. 7. Which factor plays a significant role in most industrial fire and explosion losses? A. Process. B. Mechanical. C. Human. D. External. Answer: C. 8. Which type of heat detector automatically resets after operation, when the ambient temperature drops below the operating temperature? A. Rate of rise. B. Rate compensation. C. Electronic spot type. D. Linization. Answer: A. 9. What type of process hazard analysis program addresses the prevention of flammable and hazardous materials released from containment? A. Fault tree. B. Process safety. C. Management of change. D. Mechanical integrity. Answer: B. 10. Which smoke detector type contains a small amount of radioactive material and functions by sensing a decrease in conductance of the air when smoke particles enter the chamber? A. Photoelectric. B. Cloud chamber air sampling. C. Light scattering. D. Linization. Answer: D. Subscribe and like past question.